I have done everything in my power to try to keep you out of custody. You have two open DWIs. I was now going to grant the results were confirmed by the lab for alcohol and THC. You're good.
So we're good.
Hey,
It wasn't you. We're good.
that's not you.
He thought he was about to lose everything, and for a moment, it looked like he had. Joshua Jones is in court with two open DWI cases, negotiating probation instead of jail. The judge is ready to approve intensive outpatient treatment until lab results come back positive for alcohol and marijuana. On bond. Zero tolerance. The judge gets angry. Custody seems imminent. But then something unexpected happens. A name, a mix-up, a complete reversal. Was this a close call that saved him? Or a wake-up warning he can't afford to ignore? Let's go back to the start.
I have Mr. Jones back on docket. He did his TRAS.
Jones, which Jones?
Joshua Jones.
Oh, okay.
The TRAS came back. I think they recommended outpatient treatment. I believe so.
Yes. Okay.
They recommended outpatient with two open DWIs.
They recommended
Okay, so I'm gonna do it because I told you I would do whatever they do. But if he mucks it up, he's going into an inpatient. That'll be used as a sanction.
Okay. Will you take a year probation?
What do you think, state?
I'm sorry, I don't have.
This is Jones, Joshua Jones. He has two open DWIs. Yeah.
I'm sorry, I tried to find that.
I think 2 years is appropriate so that we know.
Judge, you know what spot that puts me in. We can go to trial and get the same thing.
Okay. On two? 15 months.
Okay, that's not.
I'll talk to him.
It'll still be under. All
But
right, sounds good.
I don't know. He's gonna get tested a lot,
Yeah,
you
I
know?
will.
He's using.
No, he'll be back.
I guess. Judge, I feel the assessment to have been going to SATs and move on.
What is the violation?
Alcohol and weed. I have done everything in my power to try to keep you out of custody. You have two open DWIs. I was now going to grant the fact that you had negotiated an intensive outpatient treatment. You now are testing positive for alcohol and marijuana while you're on bond for this case. And I have told you repeatedly that you are at no tolerance, Mr. Jones.
I don't do drugs. Period and point blank.
I have here,
Don't say anything. Can I get a copy of the bond violations before we discuss
Is it
it?
impending?
it's in ready for judge.
I don't know why it's not cool.
March 13th, the results were confirmed by the lab for alcohol and THC. Oh, wait. Joshua Dante Jones, right? Joshua Dante Jones?
Just, that's.
This has got, I don't know, something's wrong here.
I'm not understanding. I'm not saying.
Something's wrong.
Hey, case on judge.
Ow. We need to put pretrial services on probation, man.
I'm not sure.
I mean, it says here, Mr. Jones,
I don't see it in ready for judge.
no, it's wrong. It's wrong. Let me see it. It's wrong. Let me see it. Yeah, it's wrong. It's a Joshua Dante.
Okay.
It's the exact same.
Okay.
You're good.
So we're good. Okay.
Hey,
It wasn't you. We're good.
that's not you.
Let's go talk again.
Sorry to scare you.
Judge.
Let's go talk.
He's good.
He's not gonna get the bond.
Judge, you stated this was ready for judge?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Who's in the PR?
Was it an error on our end?
I want to apologize for getting mad at you. I had the wrong person, so it wasn't you. So I'm sorry for raising my voice and getting upset with you. And the reason I got so upset was because you have two open DWIs. It's serious business. It's not and so if I see someone that has those kind of cases that are open and then they start having more violations, that really tells me that there's a problem, which is not your case. I mean, I haven't seen any violations, which I'm hoping it stays that way. The idea is that you learn something when you get here, so you leave better than you came, because the last thing we want is for you to become a statistic. We have enough of that. We don't want any more. We don't want any more death on our streets. That's exactly what we're trying to prevent. And everything we do now here is to help you and give you the tools to make you better when you go out in the world, so that you think next time, if you do want to get lit, right? If you want to have 32 shots of tequila, 52 joints or whatever it may be, right? That you think before getting into a car. Because God forbid, it's that one mistake that you dig such a hole you never crawl out of. That's the idea. You've worked a great deal here, really, where they're going to dismiss one of your DWIs. You're pleading to the other one. Nevertheless, when an officer pulls you over, the first thing they do, what do you think they do? They look at your record because they want to know who they're dealing with. If they look at your record and they go up to you in the car and they smell alcohol or dope, it's probably not going to go well. So the idea is, if you're going to get lit, if you're going to have that, be like that, take an Uber. Do you understand? The agreement that you worked out is, like I said, they're going to dismiss one of the DWIs. You're pleading guilty to one of the DWIs, so it will go on your record. You are now entering into an agreement, a plea bargain with the state. The agreement is 180 days in jail to be probated for 15 months. As part of the agreement, you will do a DWI education class, 2 victim impact panels. You will do a TRAS with conditions. You have already done the TRAS. The TRAS has recommended intensive outpatient treatment, followed by supportive outpatient treatment, which is good. I'm telling you, I thought they were going to order you to do inpatient treatment. That's what I thought they were going to do. So this is great for you because you're not going into lockup. But understand, it's not easy. You have to get it done. If you don't, do you understand? No drugs, no alcohol, no breath test refusal. So if you're pulled over in a car, an officer asks you to submit a breath test, you must do it. Guardian interlock, a $100 one-time donation to Mothers Against Drunk Driving, and 25 hours of community service. I will make you a deal. Your license is now suspended. I had them look it up to see whether you can drive or not. You can't drive now because your license is suspended. It's suspended until 2026 as to what they state saw and looked up. If you get your license back, I will waive that community service for you. I would rather you spend the time to try to get your license back and get liability insurance, car insurance. If you do, I'll take off the 25 hours of community service. You understand? If you fail at this agreement, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. I'm going to bring you back out. We're going to have a talk about whether you violated this probation. If you do, you're looking at 180 days in jail. You understand?
Stop.
The worst possible thing you can do is just take off. If you do, that's an instant warrant. The other worst possible thing, if you pick up another DWI. If you do, I'm just going to lose even more hair. Don't. Really. If you ever have a problem, come back, talk to us. We can always work it out. There's never nothing that we can't work out. Anything can be worked out. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law, you give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty to this offense, it will go on your record. You can never take it off. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated?
Guilty.
I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow the agreement. I'm not going to suspend your license. It's already suspended because of the ALR hearing. So don't just start driving until you get it back. Because you don't have a license, we're going to order you to get a portable device. I've been paying for it now while you're on bond for this case. I can't pay for it any further. Reduce his fees, please. The other thing that you need to understand is DWI is big business. There's a $3,000 surcharge that one normally tack onto this. I'm going to take it off now. But from now on, you ever pick up another DWI, that's a second. From now on, it's a minimum of 30 days in jail and a $6,000 surcharge on a second DWI. Do you understand? All right. Good luck, sir. Thanks, Jimmy. You can wait now.
Did Judge Fleischer handle this the right way? Or was that scare too intense? Was this a fair warning or unnecessary pressure? Drop your thoughts below and subscribe for more courtroom breakdowns.